Once I've logged in, I can type in my vehicle registration mod, and this will show me some information on the vehicle. We can open this up just to view a bit more, or we can view the full details. Just to the right of the screen, we can see the MOT due date as well as the road tax due date. And at the top, we can view the MOT history. So this will show us the date it was tested, whether it passed or failed, as well as the mileage at the time. Now, back to the home page. Along the top here, we have our product categories. Now, these can be customized to suit your needs. And if you've currently got any customization, we can also pull that across for you. This can be maximized, so you can see 2 rows, or you can keep to the 1. When we select brakes, we will see all of the parts in conjunction with our approved suppliers. As we filter along, same with the fluids. Just below that, we have our dynamic search bar. So as I start typing in oil, we can see it's automatically filtering down for me. With this as well, we can also use search terms. So if I start typing in minor for minor service, we can select this and it will filter down through multiple categories to show us everything for a minor service. Just next to this, we have our category tree. So when I open this up, we can see a list of all of our categories. We can select the first level, and then just next to this, we can see our second level of categories. We can either fully select these, or we can click on the arrow to just delve a little bit deeper and only select individual components. Once I've fully selected everything, we'll be able to see this just to the right of the screen, the full breakdown of what we've selected. I can search for these selected categories, and this will then update all the products we see on the screen. So below the search bar, we have our products bar. So we can see everything that we have just searched for within the category tree, broken down here. We can remove things if we wish. We can drop down and we can re-add them on. We can use these arrow keys to scroll our way through. And just next to that, we have our suppliers bar. So similar to the product bar, we have our list of all of our approved suppliers. Now, if we're not getting adequate results from these suppliers, we can drop down and we can select to show more. So as we scroll through, we can select other suppliers to add to the list up in the results. Again, we can scroll through these with our left and right bar. And we now, as you see down the bottom, have 4 pages of results. So we can filter these down further by coming to the left-hand side of the screen. We've got a few filter options here. So we've got fitting position. We can do by the disc diameter. So if I want to select 310mm disc, and we can see now it's only allowing me to accept the rear. Just below the product bar here, we can now see all of our filters. We can choose to remove these, or we can clear all and go back to exactly how we was when we started. Looking within the grid as well, we can select and we can filter down all of our products. So I've selected front, it's going to filter down so we're only seeing the front. We can drop down on our products and we can get a much better view of exactly all the information. So we can see things like the sensor diameter and the height as well as the thickness. And we can actually view multiple images on some products. Now, if I collapse this product down again, we can just see to the right here, we have an option to either open the cross-reference or open the app guide. This is also completely down the right-hand side of the screen. So now if I select to open the cross-reference on this product, the first thing we'll notice is we have some products highlighted in yellow. Now these are the exact matches for these products. So very similar products, but different suppliers. If I go across to the app guide, we'll be able to see all of the vehicles that this product will also fit. Now, Another way of searching is we can use our AutoCat Intelligent Sales Assistant. So if I open this up here, straight away it's asking me whether I'm looking at my front or rear axle. So I'm just going to type in F for front. Straight away it's come back asking me whether I want 312mm or whether I want 340mm. So if I type in 312, come back telling me what I need for my front discs. If I ask for pads and fitting kits, it's going to come back telling me exactly what front pads I need, and it's asked me what fitting kits I need. Do I want fitting kit hardware or wear lead? So if I ask for a lead, it's come back and it's told me the wear lead as well.